Hello everyone. I'm going to show you a Trade Scalper trade that was taken just a little while ago. This is the second video for the day. The first video is on the At the Open 2. You should go back and see it if you haven't. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please do not trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Talk to your broker, practice, understand there are risks involved with trading Forex, currencies, stocks, futures. So with this trade that I'm going to show you, it is based off the Trade Scalper method. Unlike the earlier trade, which is on the At the Open 2 method, this is a little different. This is taking a smaller target, scalping. You can do it multiple times throughout the day. I'm going to place the trade to go long, just like the software is indicating, at 39.13 quarter. And the good thing about this method is it's based off of price action. So you don't have moving averages on your chart or RSI or momentum or anything relating to a conventional indicator. We're using software with specific entry prices to go long or to go short. You also have to remember that chasing this market, so if you are unable to get this price, 39.13 quarter, or a better price, sometimes it's not worth trying to chase this market with a bad fill. So I don't like to just jump in if it's a point or two later. I think you have a disadvantage when you don't get a good price. So 39.13 quarter is the price that the software is indicating, and that's the price that I got. Now you can see that the number 5 there indicates 5 contracts. So every time the market moves up or down, it's $12.50 per tick multiplied by 5 contracts. So I recommend everyone start off with one contract, which is nice and easy to understand. It would be $12.50 every time the market ticks up, or $12.50 when the market ticks down. That would be profit or loss. So $12.50 on every increment the market makes. Now, for those of you who are more experienced and you want to trade with 2 or 3 contracts, great. You can do the same thing as what we're doing with 2 or 3 contracts, but always practice first. I tell everybody it's important that you get the simulation charts, that you practice trading this, and before you go live, ask lots of questions, and we'll answer your questions. We're here to help you understand what you're doing when it comes to trading. Now, the target is very specific. If you look down at that yellow line there at the bottom, that is the average true range, the ATR. That's helping me understand what kind of target I can expect. When the ATR is higher, take a larger profit. When the ATR is smaller or lower, you take a smaller profit target. And the same thing with the stops. You can't have a small stop or a small target when the market is more volatile. So in this case, the target was achieved. It was 5 contracts. Very simply, let me add here the settings for plot executions, which will explain exactly where I entered and exactly where I exited. The Trade Scalper is proprietary software, and it's available only at DayTradeToWin.com. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.